In this tutorial, we will show you how to cut shorts. In this particular case, this type of content tends to have an abundance of cuts, few moments of silence, few moments of breathing. It's a lot of compressed information. And for us to do that, we should stay alert to moments like if we analyze the audio, for instance, we can see a silent moment here with no noise or voice. Sometimes we also perceive that the person speaking here or the speaker is using too many filler words, or in the case of saying it in English, like in this case, they use words like right. They often use phrases like, that start to become a bit more like a crutch, so we have to remove that. The unnecessary words and noises, so we can create a much more succinct short that somewhat manages to maintain viewer retention. So we can start looking at it and you will grasp what I mean.
Your body is obviously recognizing that I am not feeling much.
Perfect here. This could be unnecessary.
As it usually gives me, and so it starts sending a signal.
Here's another one.
It gives me,
and so
sends a signal.
It's basically unnecessary. I don't know if it's also being done. We need to suddenly cut some connectors.
Send a signal, right? These.
We need a direct message ratio.
They're signs, okay? They're very natural.
Well, it says right here. Let's remove it.
The signs you send are very natural.
Another breath. Suddenly, I might find myself in a situation like this. It happens occasionally. I'm heading here. For effects. Audio transitions. Crossfade. Steady gain. And I apply it. And afterward, I reduce the crossfade.
Body. The signs your body sends are very natural. It's part of our journey.
Here. He made a mistake, right? More than just a mistake. He didn't know where to start the sentence well. So I take it from the part that is secure.
It's part of our deep path. It's part of our deep root. It will send you
Then
signs your body will send. It's part of our deep journey, survival mechanisms. It's
anything unnecessary. I hope you are getting the idea.
a part of our survival systems. If you're hungry, do you need to eat? What's happening there?
And so it goes. Then more or less after that, the short should look something like this, meaning having plenty of cuts. This is the format that is used a bit more standard. Then you can add other types of videos, more information, etc.